Okay, so what we have here is a silicone which has expired approximately a year and a half ago. So the expiry on this is 0523, and we're going to show you how to use this silicone. So what the problem with an expired silicone, what you can find is that the first inch or so would have started to cure. So what we need to do is get rid of that first. So what I'm going to do is going to cut it open, connect it to the gun. Just going to get rid of that first lump or so. As you can see, that part there has started to cure, so it's not going to come out very well. So the rest of the silicone, as you can see, is now working perfectly well. So what I'm going to do now is connect that nozzle and just show you that you can now use this silicone, and it's coming out perfectly well. Obviously you can cut the nozzle to the desired width, so if you wanted to do it slightly wider, just cut. And you can get a wider bead. And that's how to use an expired silicone. Just remove that first part, works perfectly well.